Yes, yes, yes. So, well, they don't know, so One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. Understand my daily? And remember, my apologies. My Instagram got deactivated. You understand? Negus underscore Imara is no more. So make sure you go follow Negus underscore Imara 2. You understand? Negus underscore Imara 2 on Instagram. You understand what I did? Let's run it up. Let's run it up. Yeah, man. But anyway, so you already know, see how the Negus is, well in tune with what's going on in the manosphere. You understand what I did? So we are looking at a wonderful sister right here called Chantel Simone. Make sure you go and follow her YouTube channel. Chantel is an advocate for men. You understand? She's an advocate for men. She is in the manosphere representing us well. This is a young lady that I went to school with, so I know her more than half my life. You understand? I went to primary school with this lovely young woman right here. So I watched her videos. I watch a lot of her videos because she is saying things that a lot of men are saying, but a lot of men, not me, a lot of men are afraid to say these things that she's saying. So we're just going to watch this video here that's titled "Modern Women Are Not Wifey Material." Why do a lot of men feel like modern women aren't wifey material? Let's listen to what the beautiful Chantal Simone has to say. Let's go, ladies and gentle G's.
If you want to work on yourself, become the best version of yourself so you can be wifed up, look at what women are doing, look at what majority of women are doing, and do the opposite. Hey YouTube, this is
Whoa.
and I use my channel to speak with women who genuinely want to be better at dating and relationships by understanding certain topics and certain talking points from men's perspective. I do this so we can learn to love and work with our men and hopefully start seeing more two-parent households in the Black community. Now, I try to keep my channel as solution-based as possible. However, in order to get to the solution, we have to talk about the problem. And the problem we're going to talk about today is a post that I saw on social media.
Yeah.
I'll post it right here as I read. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button.
Am I the only one that's hearing this little static thing?
Now the post says, I feel sorry for men. These new batch of bees God let Satan release don't pray, cook, clean, raise kids, and barely pay bills. They don't even want to act like women. They want to get money and BBL and sit on their modified A while a man take care of them. Now,
Facts.
you guys can only just imagine the backlash she got.
Oh,
just
yes.
imagine the comment sections from this post. But I don't want to really focus on that. I want to focus on the post itself because she was not lying. Unfortunately, she was not lying. And in order to do better, in order to see better in our Black community, we're going to have to learn to work with our men. We're going to have to learn to become what our men want.
Yes.
These men don't want women who don't pray, cook, clean, raise kids, and don't pay bills.
Yeah.
Okay? We had that song going around talking about, oh, I don't cook, I don't clean, but I got this ring. They don't even know how to act like women. We see women raising their voices at men. We see women trying to combat men and trying to compete with men. We were not taught how to be women. And there are not a lot of us out there that's genuinely want to learn, that's genuinely looking for the information, how we can be better, how we can work with our men, how can we become women. We are blindly following this feminist movement narrative. We're blindly following this womanist narrative to be a boss, secure your bag, be entrepreneurs, follow your dreams and follow your business, and little to no attention is being placed on what is it like to raise a kid, what is it like to be a wife, what is my husband going to want from me.
Hold on, go stop that. She's saying a mouthful here, you see me? And she's here speaking facts, you understand? But a lot of women will never ever give this woman the time of day. Because first of all, they're gonna call her a pick-me based on the topic of conversation. Oh, you must be wanting someone. You want to be chose. You want to be seen. You want to be what you call it now, picked by men. Oh, you're a pick-me. They go into shame tactic. It's always shame. A lot of these females, whenever they don't agree with somebody, the first thing they resort to is shaming. If you're a man saying these kind of things, the first thing they're going to challenge is your sexuality. Oh, you must be gay. All right, go off, sis. They say things to challenge your manhood because they know that's all you really have in this world as a man is your manhood. You understand what I say? So that's the first thing them go off of. Like, She, the lady who wrote the post, all they want to do is sit on her ass, get BBLs, and have men cater to you. That a lot of them, that's what they want. A lot of these females won't even go and cook because the first thing that comes to their mind, you want them to cook or you're looking for a slave. But whenever it comes to men providing and protecting, oh, that's what you should do. But you sustaining a household, making sure your man eat and him belly full and him can go along, the day and, have strength, have a strong foundation for bring the bacon home so you can cook the bacon. You just want him bring the bacon home and cook the bacon, and that you want. A lot of these females don't give a damn. They just want to be catered to. And that me I try to show some of them young youth here. A lot of these people, men too, a lot of these men and women nowadays, they're letting memes grow them. They're taking advice from memes. This generation is the dating generation that's brought up by memes. I'm telling you. Like some of the way they think, I'm like, oh, you read that on a meme. You gotta read that on a meme. It's crazy. Go continue.
Blindly following this movement and being so naive. And when she said all they want to do is get money and BBL and sit on their modified A while a man take care of them, these women just want to be lazy and want to sit there and allow men to just take care of them.
Facts.
They don't want to do anything. They don't want to give anything to receive.
Facts.
They think they're the prize, they're the table, and they should just be receiving. Men should just be doing for them, and they don't want to reciprocate.
Any woman tell us that she's the prize, run from her, brother.
Who genuinely want to find a wife, men who want to start a family so they can contribute to the two-parent households in the black community. They can contribute to breaking those generational curses. I genuinely feel sorry for them, because where are you going to be finding your wife from? If all of these women, most of these women don't want to cook clean.
Facts. And
they don't want to pay any bills. Like, how are you going to enter a relationship and not want to contribute financially? And then they don't want to raise kids because all they want to do is secure the bag. And little to no efforts is placed on, okay, what does it require to be a mom? How am I going to raise this kid? How am I going to be a good wife? What does it look like to submit?
They don't give a damn on none of that.
It's detrimental. It's toxic. It's unfortunate.
Yeah.
And shout out to this young lady for tweeting it, because I can only imagine the amount of pick-me name she got called. I can only imagine the amount of hate she received for this post. But calling a spade, it's 100% facts. Modern women aren't wifey material. Modern women don't want to wash, cook, clean. They don't know how to raise kids, and they don't want to pay any bills. If you are one of those women who want to be better at dating and relationship, if you want to work with a man, genuinely work with him and not have him just pay your bills while you sit up there, you genuinely want to be a helpmate for a man, I would recommend that you do these things. You learn how to cook, you learn how to clean, you raise kids. That's a great way to stand out from the crowd. That's a great way to set yourself apart, so eventually a man can pick you to be a wife. Because it's not, single life is not it. All right, single life is not it. So if you want to work on yourself, become the best version of yourself so you can be wifed up, look at what women are doing, look at what majority of women are doing, and do the opposite. Again, it's your girl Chantel. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to help me grow my channel. I use my channel to talk to women who genuinely want to be better at dating and relationships, so we can start seeing more two-parent households in the black community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.
Yeah, so that was Chantel Simone right there with the reel. You know what I'm saying? A lot of women are going to hate this and probably hate me for this video, but I don't know me say it, but I'm gonna agree with her sentiments. You understand what I say? A lot of you females just want to sit down and look pretty and think that, you should offer nothing, you should bring nothing. You yourself is a total package, when no. You have this long list that you want men to come with, but, you come with this much. And, it kind of selfish, and it's sad how the dating market is nowadays. You understand? It's sticky on both sides. But I just think that a lot of these women are too tuned in to reality series and online and, celebrity relationship, that the expectation of the average man is like through the roof. You see me? So, yeah, for me, the majority of the world average, and you yourself average, because the thing that you want, you cannot get that from an average man, because you average and him average. Majority of the world is average. And until we learn to accept that, this world will be a better place. You understand what I say? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know, say One Nation, Imara Nation. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Negusimara. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand what I did? Up move! And make sure to follow me up on Instagram. Zane, Negus_IMARA2. Up move!